This is a smart plug from Teckin. Alright, coming in from Teckin. This is a little, smart plug, as it says on the box. They have sent me over a couple of products that I am looking at. This is the first. It's the smart plug SP27. 2 PCs, I'm guessing that's short for pieces, which you get that are working with both Amazon's digital assistant and Google's digital assistant. There's an app in the App Store, and these retail for about £16 on Amazon right now. They're apparently not marked down from £26, but they also come in 4-packs and 3-packs and things like that. This is obviously the 2-piece pack. And you can never have enough smart plugs in my book. On the side here it says app control, Wi-Fi connection, voice control, set timers. And the specifications on the back here is 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi, 13 amp max, 12-month warranty, blah blah blah. There's the app there. So to get into it, I might use the knife today. One thing I've always had a problem with these is that the buttons are not that easy to get to, so I'm quite eager to see what way this is. This is the big downfall of smart plugs, is where the button is to be able to manually turn them off and on if you happen to be able to do that, I find. So, smart plug. Instructions in colour. There's the button there, right on the side. That's a very handy place for the button to go. I do have one that has the button under here, which defies all logic, but it's not made by Teckin. I can't remember who that's made by, actually. It's a third party. But yes, putting it on the side means that you can go and hit the button when necessary without having to go and look for your phone, and it may be out of the way that you might not actually be able to use Amazon or Google's Assistant. I'll cover that up. That's the underside. There's a wee QR code there for pairing it with the app. And you just plug in and away you go. So I'll move this in so you can see it. Had a bit of a burnout the other day. Do excuse it, I haven't washed it yet. Yeah, it gets in quite close to the plug next to it. No, you can't see that. Oh, nuts. Yeah, it gets quite snug to the plug next to it, as you can see here. That's my laptop charger there. And the light that's behind me, I have to keep that in. I apologise, but I do. And yeah, so it does fit, but you will have to work out bulky plugs beside it, because whilst this is small, it's still... don't need those. No, it's not terribly small. So, if we were to try and set this up, so we need the Teckin app from the App Store. And here you can see it's got 10k of downloads and then 2.5k of reviews. The reviews are not great actually, but it does look like they're getting back to them to try and sort out problems. So whether or not this is actually people just having problems or there's an actual problem with the app, there's good reviews, so it looks like it is just individual problems with setting up. So if we open her up, we need to add the device. We've got it there. There's a blue flashing light on the side of it, and it's a plug. So light is flashing fairly rapidly. And it asks us just to go for our Wi-Fi. And name your plug. Sean. Okay, so there we have it. That's that. Thanks for what? No, wait, hang on. If I take this and plug it in there, and then take this and plug it into an old nightlight that I just reclaimed from my son's bedroom. It's got a bit of dust under it, I do apologise, but I turn that to that. Okay, so it's on currently, and then we hit that, and it turns off. Wow! Brilliant. and it's got a battery in it, so it's charged a wee bit. We turn it back on, and then it turns on. And then obviously we can set that up with Google Home. How do we do that? And we have Teckin under Google Home as set up. So if we add that, it's now looking for us to log our stuffs in. And there we go. Log in username and password as we set up when we set up the Teckin app. And we now have a new dude. There we go. We got Sean on our list, which we can turn on from Google. And we'll add that to a room, stick it into our move device to the office. Hey, turn off Sean.
Sure. Turning off Sean.
Thanks. Excellent. Very simple. It fits nicely in the plug. It turns on things and turns off things as you would expect. Obviously all the other Google Assistant tomfoolery will be in there. And yeah, for 16 quid, not a bad collection of plugs. Love these. You can never have enough of them. Fill the house up with them and automate your life. Excellent. Thanks, Teckin. Good stuff. Alright, so if you have any questions, do let me know in the show notes down below. Hit that subscribe button and turn on those notifications. Remember to tune into the Tech Addicts podcast on a Sunday afternoon. And of course into Talk Sport on a Wednesday morning at midnight for Inspect Your Gadget. And other than that, take care.